what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel. If you are new, hey girl, hey, I'm Sharron. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today, y'all, we are going to be getting into this gorgeous wig that I have on right here, right now. Listen, I hope you're sad. Let's get into it.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
Hey y'all, so this is the wig that we are going to be getting into today. First and foremost, it is so cloudy, like it's dark. Okay, so the lighting is not the best. So I'm having to work with what I got with a little bit of artificial lighting, but I'm low-key pissed because I wanted to get like a cute little outfit video, but the lighting sucks. Anyways, not your problem. Today we are gonna be getting into curls, kinks, and co. Now, real quick sidebar, okay? Also too, another disclaimer, I'm off some caffeine. Okay, but I am obsessed with the curls, kinks, and co wigs. Most of them, I love them. I still have Born Stunner, my original Born Stunner. They withstand, okay? The texture is good. So I have high hopes for this wig. But this is the curls, kinks, and co. It's a wild part. You know, that's like my favorite type. This is the style Y Part Kinky Roller Set 16. I got it in the color 2, of course. It also has kinky edges. Ooh, and it says that it's heat safe. Now, I don't know if they're meaning like the kinky edges just by themselves are heat safe or the whole thing, because it has the heat safe thing on it, but then it also says like it has a hot comb next to the kinky edges. Okay, I'm really excited. Let's just get right into it. Oh snap, I need my wig cap. Okay, now let's get into it. Taking off the net together. Ooh, this definitely giving roller set for sure. Let's get into the construction. It has the Y part, like you can see. It has combs on the side. It has a comb in the back. It has an elastic band that is adjustable, and it has adjustable straps. That's a nice amount of parting space. Like you low-key could part this to the side if you needed to or if you wanted to. I might try that out today. And then let's get into the kinky edges. Ooh, and we know I got some kinky edges, but I just gotta see how this is gonna look with my own kinky edges. Let's see. I gotta see. You're so fly, girl. You should come to my crib. I cannot get that song out my head. He would flip if he knew you were here. Is this a side part? Oh, this is a side part. No, I'm not playing with myself because I'm sitting here talking about you could part this to the side if you wanted to. Sister, this is a side part. The side part is in the room with us already. Oh my gosh, this is a side part. I'm so stupid. Does it not show Miss Mamas with a side part on the stock card? Am I well? No, I'm not playing. I'm sitting here talking about you can part this to the side. Go away from me with this, Apollo. Okay, enough. Ooh, pretty already. Now, I definitely will put the hair to the test to see if it can take heat, because I kind of want this more like that kind of a moment, like, you know what I'm saying? Like more of a, like that. First of all, I should cut the lace off first. I also don't want to separate it too much and trying to start no problems. You know what I'm saying? Because this could get real big and real crazy real quick. Okay. All right. Oh, ooh. It's getting good, bitch. But yeah, let me cut the lace off. Now I'm gonna go and get some powder and like, okay, I'll be back, sister. If he knew you were here. It's raining. I have things to do. I'm gonna make it go this way. To my crib. Part much better. I cut what I wanted to cut, right? And she doesn't really look like she needs any kind of heat, right? Very beautiful, very gorgeous. But for fun, I want to see if it can take heat. I could leave it like this, but I want to see. What I'm gonna do is test a piece. I've shifted the camera a bit. Okay, so 374. Let's see. I'm gonna try to curl it. Uh-oh. That felt like it was about to burn off. Okay, hold on. Let's try another piece real quick. All right, let's curl it the same way. I'm finding it. Okay. She could take heat, but you can't really like curl it because this is the piece right here. Okay, so Miss Wapart Kinky Roller Set 16 inches. She's T. She's T. She's T. Okay. I love the construction. I love that it has the kinky edges. I like the length. I like the curls. She can take heat. She just is absolutely beautiful and gorgeous. And what I love too, just jumping right in, is if you feel like this is too much hair for you, right? You like, girl, this is too much. It's too voluminous. Hello? Am I having a stroke? I'm getting too excited. I need like relax. If you feel like it's too voluminous and you like, oh, this is too big, it's too much, what you can do is take the flat iron and kind of like press it out a bit at the roots to kind of like flatten it out some. Or if you wanted to, you could literally just go through the wig and then like almost recurl the ends, and that will also flatten it out. So it kind of falls a little bit more and it just kind of gives like the curl at the end, but not as voluminous, if that makes sense. Because when adding the flat iron to the hair, it definitely takes heat and it'll curl, but it flattens the hair out and almost changes the texture to like a smoother texture, because this is like a nice, beautiful, gorgeous, kinky texture. But when you put the flat iron to it, it, like I said, will kind of like smooth it out some. So like I always say, I don't really have my ear to the streets for real when it comes to the wigs and stuff. So I don't know if this is new, if this is old, when this came out. Sometimes wigs just kind of fall into my lap, and then sometimes I go looking for them, and this kind of fell into my lap. I was looking for kind of like that color 630 or 350 or whatever it is, that color that I just had with the boho Marley twist. I was kind of looking for a wig in that color, and then when looking for the wig, this showed up and I was like, hello, what is this, and why don't I know about this, and why isn't this already in my collection? Get in my cart now. So that's kind of like how that happened. So I don't know if it's old. Let me know if you've already had this wig, if it just came out, if you're interested in trying it. Let me know the tea, because like I said, I don't really be having my ear to the streets. Okay, although I should, but I don't. I do like also too, before I go, they do have this in like the balayage colors. So if you somebody where you kind of like to get into a little bit of color, they have that. And again, the balayage is always like done so beautifully, so they do have that available too. But yeah, y'all, I don't really think it's nothing else to say. I'm obsessed with this wig. I think it's beautiful. I think it's gorgeous. If you have not tried it, you should, especially if you like big hair, especially if you like the way it looks. Like, I love this, and I love the most that I'm gonna have this for a very long time. Like I told y'all, I still have my original Born Stunner. I don't wear it in its regular form. I usually will pop it out for a half up, half down. So I don't really wear it like in a, like how it comes like in a part. Oh, I was supposed to see if this will look cute in the middle part. I gotta go. But yeah, y'all, I'm just excited about this wig. I think it's beautiful. I think it's gorgeous. I love the Curls, Kinks & Co. line. So if you are interested, I will have a link in the description box for you to check it out. Like I said, let me know down in the comments what you thought of the video and of the wig. Let me know. What do you think? What is it giving? Have you tried it? Do you want to try it? Let me know all the things in the comments, and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Sisters, that is vital to the content. Please, if you are watching the content, stop what you're doing right now, give it a thumbs up if you have not already. Also, to subscribe to the channel if you are not. We trying to hit 80K. Help your girl out and subscribe if you are not subscribed. And that's pretty much it. I will catch y'all in the next one. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye.